keep going. I really hope this is making sense to everyone. Yeah, I really hope it is. All right. Okay, so that's one example with probabilities, okay? Again, we wanted the number of permutations. That's where repetition is not allowed. Those passwords, those are the ones that don't have repetition. That's what this was. Okay, so this is one I want everyone. Actually, let me stop the recording then. Here we go. Oh, wrong one. All right. Here we go. So here's similar, right? You know, the sample space in this case, right? We're not choosing among 10 digits. Instead, what we're doing is we're actually choosing among 26 possible, we're making a 6-character password. So a password that is 6 letters long. For each letter, there's 26 possibilities. And we want the probability, if we choose one at random, to have no repetition. In other words, we want to see how likely we're going to choose a permutation. Okay, well, how many possible such passwords are there altogether? You know, how big is our sample space? That's what this is. So here, we're allowing repetition and non-repetition. The order matters because, you know, in a password, order does make a difference. And we want to know how likely we'll choose a permutation. That's what this is. So if you do that in your calculator, okay, you have this, which is the same as this thing. And so what we do is we divide, we get this. That's all it is. So it's about like a little more than 50% chance. You know, probability you can convert to a percent if you want. For this, you would have to move the decimal 2 spaces to the right. Usual stuff. Okay, now let me just see if I can show you that decimals thing. I want to see if I can get to that calculator and show you what I mean. And scientific, I think this is it. There it is. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so let me just quickly show you the calculator, the Desmos one, which I mentioned earlier. Okay, so if you go to the actual site, okay, you know, Desmos, that is, right? You know, I logged in. I mean, you don't really have to log in actually, but this is the site, okay, desmos.com. Okay. If you go to Math Tools and click Scientific Calculator, this is where you'll be. Now, to get to the NPR, the probability stuff, click on where it says FUNC, functions. Click that. And you can see right here, right here, NPR. Okay, that's our probability, that's our permutation thing. The first number you enter is your N, then you do a comma, then you do R. So for 26, 6, just like before, you have 26, comma, 6, and you can see we get that number, which was the same number on the slide. I felt better showing you that, you know. I mean, again, this notation is a little bit different. If you have a calculator at home, that's fine. It might be, if it is in there, the notation might be different as well. But, you know, I just wanted to make sure you knew. Okay, so that's all I have for today. So let's stop. All right, so I guess we'll stop now. Okay. Hope the lecture went well for everyone. The worksheet thing was a little bit different, so you know, it's kind of a thought it'd be a good idea to try it at least. So, all right, see you guys on Thursday.